Welcome to Kigali, the vibrant heart of Rwanda. Today we are exploring this incredible city on a motorbike. Join me cause I will also be telling you 15 fascinating facts about Kigali. First up, did you know that Kigali is home to approximately 1.5 million people? It is the largest city in Rwanda and continues to grow rapidly. Before we continue with more interesting facts, hit that like button, drop a comment down there and subscribe if you are new here. Kigali sits at an average elevation of 1,567 meters or 5,041 feet above the sea level. This high altitude gives the city its mild and pleasant climate all year round. The city covers an area of about 730 square kilometers or 282 square miles. It's amazing how Kigali blends urban development with lush green landscapes. Kigali is a major economic hub, significantly contributing to Rwanda's GDP. The country has seen an impressive GDP growth rate of around 7 up to 8% annually over the past decade. Kigali is also known for being one of the safest cities in Africa, with a crime index of just 19.56 and a safety index of 80.44. No wonder why everyone feels so secure here in Kigali. Internet access is widespread in Kigali. About 52% of the population is connected to the internet, making it easy to stay in touch and get work done easily. Kigali's cleanliness is legendary, thanks to Umuganda, a monthly community service day, where more than 95% of Kigali residents take part in these cleanup activities, keeping the city spotless. Over 15% of Kigali is dedicated to green spaces and parks. These areas offer a perfect escape from the hustle and the bustle of the city life. In 2019, Kigali welcomed over 400,000 international visitors. Tourism is a key part of the local economy, with many attractions to explore in Kigali. Kigali's transport infrastructure is expanding rapidly. The new Bugesera International Airport, once completed, will handle over more than 2 million passengers annually. Kigali is divided into 3 districts: Gasabo, Kicukiro and Nyarugenge. Each district has its unique charm and attractions. Kigali's most iconic infrastructure is Kigali Convention Center, which was opened in 2016. It can host up to 2,600 delegates, a symbol of Rwanda's development. The Kigali Genocide Memorial is a must visit to everyone. It serves as the reminder of the Rwanda's past and a tribute to the victims of the 1994 genocide against Tutsi. Vision City is Kigali's largest residential housing project, offering modern housing solutions and transforming the city's skyline. Kigali Special Economic Zone is the hub for businesses and industries, attracting investments and boosting the local economy. Kigali is a city that perfectly balances growth, safety, and sustainability. Stay tuned and watch this video until the end as we keep exploring this amazing city on a motorbike.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah. I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving. You can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life, and I won't look back ever again. No fear, see clear, you deserve to be great. I know it feels like things get in your way. Push through those walls and the others will fall. Sit up, stand tall, you can get through it all. I need some energy, anxiety's no friend to me. I have a short memory, I don't really remember things. That's how I move on, that's how I stay strong. A new day's on, I'll keep moving right along. And I feel like the pain in the past, it needs to stay in the past. You gotta take off the cast. I wanna feel like I'm a new person. I wanna have clear vision and purpose. And I feel like the pain shouldn't last. If you can move on and past the things that make you feel bad, and you can change in your brain, I'm certain. I've done it before and man, I'm not perfect. I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving. You can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life, and everybody in the world blind. Please Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord, give me a sign.
Thanks for joining me on this motorbike tour of Kigali. See you next time. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more adventures. Until next time, ciao.